Hello, ma'am. Hello, sir. I am Grace Asuncion Advincula from Philippines, 45 years old. I have two kids and I'm a high school graduate. I have experience as a domestic helper in Singapore in 14 years. My first employer was a Singaporean Chinese elderly couple, both in a good conditions, and three adults. I worked with them in 12 years from 2009 to 2021. My main duties and responsibilities are cooking, laundry, washing dishes, cleaning the house, ironing, and serve them according to their needs. My second employer was also a Singaporean Chinese. My main duties is to take care the 9 months old baby. I make sure that the baby is always in a good health and always safe. I was joined them since 2021 to 2023. I finished my contract with them. My other responsibilities are cooking, laundry, cleaning the whole house, ironing, and serve them according to their needs. To all employers who finding their new helpers, ma'am and sir, please do hire me as your domestic helper. I am suitable with this position. I can say that I'm hardworking and trustworthy. I will promise that I will obey all your rules and regulations. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you soon. Thank you.